What's up, YouTube? 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. I'm going to be showing you how to replace spark plugs today. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's do this. First thing you do is get this cover out of your way, and there's no bolts on it, so just pull up on the corners. Set that bad boy aside. Now we got to get this little breather box out of our way because two of the coils are underneath it. We got a little clip right here. This is probably going to break when I take it out. They have a special tool for this. One of these guys. Cutting dice usually work pretty good too if you don't squeeze. See how it's just bending like that? Yeah, we're just gonna have to cut it out, y'all. I'll put a new one in there. Not really that big of a deal. All right. Now you just kind of lean that out of your way. Get the rest of that out of there. Break in pieces. Find a remedy for that. There we go. Just to make enough room for the new clip. Alright. Just don't drill down too far because you'll drill a hole right in the valve cover. Alright, now we're going to take a 10 millimeter. Get these coils all out of our way. Apologize if you hear any wind noise. I got my fans on because it's very hot. And I'm hoping I can pull these coils out without unplugging them. And, oh no, that's not good. We have a broken coil. So, surprised it's not misfiring. That's shocking. Oh, not good at all. Kind of stuff you run into, man. Oh yeah, that cylinder's full of oil. It's gonna need a valve cover gasket. So we're gonna finish the tune-up, 3 of the cylinders, and I'll be calling the customer back to give them the bad news on that. There's really no way of knowing until you take it apart. Is what it is. Since my crappy spark plug socket doesn't want to extract them. So you can put 3 of them in. Slip them down in there. Not going to hurt them. going to run them down very gently. And I'll snug them down with my hand ratchet. And we got to extract that boot, y'all. Just till they bottom out. When they bottom out, another couple quarter turns here. Now, I guess I can change this video up and show you how to extract that boot. This video went from being just a routine tune-up to, yeah, it's always a surprise when I decide to do a video. That bad boy out. Now when we pull that spark plug, all that oil is going to go down the cylinder, and that's okay, it'll burn off. When you start the car up, it's going to smoke. Yeah, it's definitely going to smoke for a little bit. No. What I'm going to do, though, is if I can find any brake parts cleaner, somewhere around this shop, and it's a little bit in there. I'm just going to spray that cylinder clean. Work its way down in there. That mixer. Ew. And we can go ahead and put the spark plug in. Yeah, I'll use this spark plug socket because it's not covered in oil. And a little more extension action. So, since I'm going to turn this video off, call this customer and tell him he's going to need a coil. I don't think I need to show y'all how to put it back together. You just seat them down in there and bolt them back down. Who knows? I might do a video on the valve cover, so stay tuned. You're going to have to find a push clip. Go to your parts store. See if I can find one before I end the video that's going to fit. Yeah, looks like a good candidate. Oh. Anyways, sorry about the, well, you know, technical difficulties always happen. So, y'all have a good day. Check like, subscribe. Peace out.